Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is feeling very well. Today I'm doing some makeup reviews on Pure Cosmetics. I hadn't used them before. I think I've kind of heard of them, but I haven't actually had any makeup from there before. I did see online that they were having a bit of a sale, so I thought this would be the opportunity, jump online, have a look, see what they've got, and I brought enough makeup to create this look. It's a full face, and I have to say I'm pretty much impressed with the makeup application. It looks expensive. The packaging is on some of the items are just to die for. Pure Cosmetics is animal free, which is an absolute, you know, thumbs up, great. And some of the products are only vegan free, but there are apparently lots and lots of options for vegans should they wish to purchase anything from Pure Cosmetics. Okay, so that's my intro out the way, a bit of a long one, I know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll leave something down here to flash at you, to remind you, because I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. That is my next goal, and I would really appreciate your help in helping me get there, and I can't do it without you guys. So, you know, it's free. Just press the button and subscribe, and I would appreciate it. Thank you. So the first product I would like to show you, this is called the Pure Crystal Clear. This is a jumbo highlighter and bronzer palette. Just the packaging alone, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Full price, this is £26. I picked it up for £13. On the back here, it does say it's cruelty-free, it's gluten-free, and it's vegan-friendly, so yippee, happy days. Okay, so let's just have a look. And that is the package there. Isn't it gorgeous? For £13. I would even pay 26 for this, I think. And then inside we have a circle of bronzers and your highlighters down here. The one I have on is this one here on my highlight, which I think is stunning. I mean, you know, this controversy, people say a woman of my age shouldn't wear highlighter. I say screw it, I love highlighter on, and I will plaster it on because I just like highlighter. And in my day, when, you know, younger days when makeup was a thing, we didn't have things like highlighters, or if we did, it wasn't a thing that I would actually use. So I don't care what anyone says. I'm going to wear highlighter because I like the way it looks. Although I did go a bit heavy on it. Okay, so with the bronzers, I've just literally put my brush across all three and just slapped it on my face. But I have to say, they went on really nicely. Easy to apply. And the highlights, in my opinion, are just to die for, and I'm so glad that I've got this. So that's the three colours there. Just do a switch. Get a bit closer so you can see. So, I mean, they are absolutely flipping gorgeous. But you have to be careful because I was kind of slapping it on a little bit and going a little bit OTT, as you do. And I'm not sure if there's a shade on this palette or not. No, it doesn't say a shade on it. No. But nonetheless, this will be definitely one of my everyday uses. I absolutely love it. It's got to be my favourite highlighter out there now. Until I find something else, of course. So yeah, that was called the Crystal Clear Jumbo Highlight and Bronzer Palette. As I said, it was £26, but I got it for £13. Next we have this. This is a Out of the Blue 4-piece perfect selfie kit. This was again £26. I got mine for £13. This again is cruelty free, it's gluten free. Please recycle. So I'm assuming this is not all vegan. So packaging's gorgeous. The box is lovely. And then you get it in this tissue paper. Obviously I've used all this because I put the stuff on my face, but I just wanted to show you how nicely it's presented. So this is the little selfie palette that you get in some bubble wrap. And inside we have a little mirror, which I always think is handy. We've got blushes over here, and we've got your eyeshadows there. So there's 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. I'm just going to try and get this off so we can swatch. I wanted to put them back on there just so you can see what you get with your packaging, but I'll leave them off now. Okay, so for my face, I used this one here, my blush. I'll just give you a little swatch. Now some of them have got a little bit of shimmer in. I'm not a lover of shimmer in blush, but in the summertime, I don't mind it. This is pretty, this one here. I'd use this actually as an eyeshadow, it's gorgeous. And that's the colours there, which I think are amazing for a blush. They're quite pigmented. So I did go a little bit heavy-handed, and I got just a normal powder brush, and I was trying to like blend it in and get rid of it a little bit because I did look a little bit clown-like, because I really didn't realise how pigmented Pure Cosmetics makeup actually is. So I would advise that if you do buy this, a little and build it up that way. Don't do what I did and just whoosh. And then the lovely shades here, eyeshadow shades, you get 6. And the ones I used today was this one, and this one. We used those 3, which are like the neutral colour. I'd say that was your sort of transition colour that I used kind of more or less all over the lid. Did this in the outer corner, and I did this across the lid. So pretty colours, basic but pretty, and I hope you can agree, but they do look nice. And again, they went on effortlessly, really nice. And then we've got some, which I'm looking forward to trying now that I've kind of like done my hair. I love this colour here, which I'll try and use next time, and I'll use that with the pink shimmer, these 2 together. I look forward to trying those 2. So yeah, nice little palette. I like it a lot, worth the money. Right, and with that you get a little mascara. Sorry, I couldn't think what it was. I have put this on. Now this eye here is watering a lot. The only mascara that I seem to be able to get away with without my eyes watering so much is literally Beauty Pie. I tried different mascaras because I always want to see if there's anything better out there. And sometimes I like the look of the way the mascara makes my eyes look, but then the streaming. And then I always go back to Beauty Pie because it literally is the only thing that does not make my eyes water. This did make this eye water, and it's still doing it a little bit. I wouldn't say that I particularly liked the finished look on this mascara. I have got better mascaras that give a different and bolder look and fuller look and longer look on my lashes. But, you know, it's okay. Let me just show you the brush, guys. There's the brush. So yeah, I kind of struggled to get any va-va-voom with this particular mascara, and like I say, it's making my eye water a hell of a lot. And then also in this little kit you get a Pure No Filter. This is a blurring photography primer. Put that on underneath everything, and I like this as well. Now when I first was applying this, I felt like there was a little bit of shimmer to it, but I couldn't actually see it on my face once I'd kind of like rubbed it in. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but it just feels like very iridescent-y colour. Can you see that? But once you rub it in, which I'll show you, that shininess definitely disappears. Would I say it blurred my skin? Maybe slightly. But yeah, I mean, it's still there a tiny bit. But I liked it because it wasn't uber sparkly on my face. So I did like that. And I did feel like my skin was quite hydrated. So yeah, I would definitely consider buying that again. I liked the primer, and I'm not one for primers, to be honest. I don't know whether they actually do help apply makeup and make it last any longer. Who knows? And also in this little kit you get a little lip gloss, which again I've got on now. This is like a nudie kind of lip gloss. It's okay. You get a little tiny applicator there. And the colour on this is, oh, can't see. Sorry, I haven't got my glasses with me either. Right, okay, so that's that little bundle done. So you get 4 pieces of makeup for 13 quid. So even if you haven't got any pure cosmetics, that's a foot in the door just to get your little makeup collection going. I really think that is absolutely well worth the money. Right, next, let's look at this. This is pure, this is a 4-in-1 bling pressed mineral powder makeup foundation. I got mine in the light tan. This was a whopping £29 and it was down to £11.60. I'm in love with this stuff. I'm always looking out for that perfect foundation, and I buy it, I try it, I don't like it. There's not really many foundations that I can say absolutely brilliant. In fact, what I've been using lately is just literally blob and concealer on my face, because I'm fortunate that I have got an okay like face, and I just feel like the concealer just gives you a natural look. So when I saw this was reduced down and saw the packaging to absolutely die for, these are crystals on here. I mean, God, look at that. Stunning, right? And then inside you have a little mirror, and that is the mineral powder there. And that's the colour. I don't know if you're going to pick that up, guys, but this colour is actually perfect for me. I don't know if you can see that. The instructions are to get a fluffy brush, I guess, swirl it round and put it on your face in circular motions all over your face. I like this. I feel like it gives me a healthy tanned glow. I wouldn't say it's particularly too dark for me. I don't feel like I've actually got anything on my face. I feel like it just hides any redness that I do have around here. I would say that it may be settling in some of my fine lines, sort of on my forehead, but everywhere else I feel like this is really nice and it goes on so easily, and I literally do not feel like I have anything on my face, which is what you want from covering up with a foundation. I do have some freckles on my nose, and this allows my normal skin underneath to just reflect through a little bit, which, you know, you want that natural look and not blur everything out. So I really like this, and I would definitely be using this like forever because I love it. It's lovely. There's no smell to it. Now, is this, what is this claiming it is? Can't actually see whether this is vegan and cruelty-free. Well, it's cruelty-free for sure, but not sure whether it's vegan-free. Okay, well that's that, and it's worth every penny, I'll tell you. Lovely. Okay, so that was that, and my final little find was this. This is called the Secret Crush Eyeshadow Palette. This was £24, it's reduced to £5. I've got a selection of colours that are on the box there. I didn't use this today because I wanted to try that other palette out. Okay, so the box is like this. It's like a tin. It's, you know, it's incredible. I love it. The packaging is so stunning. I don't own anything like this. I can see why it's kind of priced a little bit expensive, but I mean, if you keep your eyes out for the sale like I did, you can get some really half decent makeup. Okay, so you do get a tiny little brush, which, see, even that is really cute, and it's got written on it Pure Minerals. Oh, so this is a Pure Minerals eyeshadow palette. Oh, it says on there Pure Minerals. Hello. And they are the colours, which, you know, they're kind of everyday colours, but I think you can get quite a few different looks out of them. I just love the packaging. It's so, and it snips shut. Push the button there, it opens, and like I say, just love it. It's great. So this is not going to get battered about on if you're traveling anywhere. I'll do a couple of swatches just so you can see the pigment in them. Oh, the shimmers are nice. So that's some of the colours there. And let's put them there. Nice. And that's in there. I don't know if you can see them. I'm so cat-handed when I do these swatches. I'm not the best person in the world to do swatches, I'm afraid. Okay, let's try just towards the end ones. I love these copper ones. And that's the last three there. Let's put them there. I want to see what that copper's like. Oh, it's quite a light copper. Let me just swatch that again. Oh, it's okay. Actually, I really like that. You get a lot of use out of it. Just try to see whether your secret to simply decandent look, add a touch of luxury to your everyday eye look with 8 ultra cheek nude shimmer and velvety satins. There you go. Right, that's all I've got for you, my lovely, from Pure Cosmetics. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Sorry if I went on a little bit too much. I don't have any adults here, so talking to a camera, I feel like I'm actually talking to somebody. I hope you like this look that I created. I actually really like it. It just looks so natural. And you can't mess this up. I'm rubbish with makeup, and I feel like I did a really good job with this today. I'm not sure if you guys agree, but I do feel like really comfortable in this. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. As I said, I'm trying to reach my 2,000 goal on my subscribers. I don't normally ask, but I'm trying to make an effort to ask people if they wouldn't very much mind subscribing. I do appreciate it. Okay, so I will be doing the Jeffree Star May giveaway. I'm just actually waiting for the actual mirror. As soon as that's done, I'll get that up so you guys can start entering for the May giveaway. Right, until we speak again, please take care of yourselves, my lovelies, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Bye.